clean smarter, not harder. Introducing the Eurohit High Pressure Washer, EU.K5 Turbo and EU.K2 Extra, the effortless way to clean everything. Utilizing the fine Italy technology, it has a water pressure of 2300 psi, and that's enough power to clean any surface around your home. With Eurohit High Pressure Washer, you're in control of the water pressure, regulated with just a twist, from a punishing pinpoint jet to a powerful band spray, tackling light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. It weighs in at only 7.2 kilograms and comes with a 5-meter hose for easier cleaning. And while you're cleaning, you're only using 6.66 liters of water per minute. That means you're cleaning more while using less water. Eurohit really works, and our customers love it. We have hundreds of 5-star reviews and counting. So if you have a car or home garden, get yourself a Eurohit water pressure jet and enjoy your effortless clean anytime at your fingertips.